unit
Conversion.
conversion. Okay. So Shape, tell me that 1 decimeter is equal to how many centimeters?
1000.
1 decimeter is equal to 1000 centimeters? No, you are wrong.
No,
10 centimeter. Yes, now you are right.
10.
So in 1 decimeter there are 10 centimeters. So which is the bigger unit, decimeter or centimeter? Which is the bigger unit?
Decimeter.
Decimeter is the bigger unit and centimeter is smaller unit. Now Shiv,
Small.
tell me there are how many centimeter cube in 1 decimeter cube? How many centimeter cube are there in 1 decimeter cube?
10.
In 1 decimeter cube there are 10 centimeter cube? No, sure. I am going to prove it now. Okay. Keep your
Oh,
answer in your mind. Okay. In the last, you will be able to know
a
that
1000, yeah.
1,000 centimeter cube. How 1 decimeter cube is equal
Hmm.
to 1,000 centimeter cube? Because 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter.
Two,
And when
10.
we will take cube on both sides, when we will take cube on both sides, shape, okay, then then
Yes.
this will be like 1 cube decimeter cube, okay, because cube is with both
Hmm.
1 and decimeter, and this cube
Yes.
is with this cube is with 10, and this cube is also with centimeter cube. Okay. Now
Yes.
now I will prove that 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. I am proving. Okay. So what is one cube?
Oh,
One cube, one into one into one, and this is
1.
decimeter cube. Yes, this is equal to 1. Okay, decimeter
1.
cube. Okay, and 10 cube. Shape 10 cube is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, and this is centimeter cube. So 10 times is 100 and 10 times is 1000. Okay, centimeter cube. So hence proved 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. Is it clear? Okay, okay. Take your
Yes,
time.
clear, yeah.
Okay. So now this is
Yes.
clear to you. Now two things are
Yeah.
clear, that in 1 decimeter there are 10 centimeters, and second thing, in 1 decimeter cube there are
There are
1000 centimeter cube.
1000 centimeters.
Now we will move to the next. Okay, Shweb, tell me that in 1 centimeter there are how many millimeters?
10.
Yes, in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters.
10
Now tell
millimeters.
me that in 1 decimeter there are how many millimeters? Think. First
Oh,
think, then answer.
yeah, my finger circle.
Okay.
1 decimeter, which kitne millimeter hai?
Yes, yes.
Above easy. Yeah.
First think, then answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
see.
Think like a pro.
Yes.
Okay, take your time.
Yeah, me keep it. Yeah.
Shred, is my voice clear
100.
to you? 100. Very
Yes.
good. MashaAllah. Okay. So, Shred, you are absolutely right that in 1 decimeter there are 100 millimeters. Okay. Now, Shiv, tell me that centimeter is bigger unit or millimeter?
Centimeter.
Centimeter is bigger unit, millimeter is smaller, and decimeter is bigger unit, millimeter is smaller unit. Now, Shiv, tell
Yes.
me that when you will convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, how you will do? You will do multiplication or division. When you will deal with from bigger unit to smaller unit.
Multiplication.
Yes, you will do multiplication. Okay? Keep this rule in your
Yes.
mind. And Shiv, tell me when you will convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, what you will
Division.
do? Division. So, okay? Keep these two rules
Yes.
in your mind. Okay? It will be very, very easy while you will solve questions related to conversions. Okay. Share me how many milliliters are there in 1 liter? In 1 liter.
One, 1000.
Yes, 1000. 1000 milliliters. Okay, in 1 hour
इसे
there are
कंप्यूटर में
60.
इस
Okay.
ड्रिंक ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਬੜੀ drink
हाँ. Yes, yes,
ਉਹ
yes.
लीटर नहीं होनी
हाँ, वो लीटर नहीं होनी ना कि in 1 liter 1000 milliliter होने. Good. So okay, now I think you are good in unit conversion. Okay,
yes
inshallah you will manage questions related to unit conversion. Inshallah.